Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix Venmo something went wrong, please try again error, so you can use the app without interruptions. First, check your internet connection and switch to a stable network because poor connectivity often causes this issue. Next, restart the Venmo app or force close it and open it again to clear temporary glitches. After that, update the app to the latest version from the App Store for better stability. You should also clear the app cache if you are using Android to remove corrupted data. Another important step is to log out and log back into your account to refresh your session. Also, make sure your device date and time are set correctly. Finally, restart your phone and try again and the error should be resolved. Subscribe the channel for more videos.